Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF image to GitHub. This is a great way to make your repository more visually engaging, whether you're adding animated examples to your README file or including demonstration GIFs to help others understand your project better. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next step. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add your GIF image. This is the project folder where your animated file will be stored and made accessible to anyone viewing your repository. After opening your chosen repository, look for the button labeled Add File. It's typically located near the top of the repository page alongside other options for managing your files. Click on Add File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Upload Files. This option allows you to bring external files, including GIFs, directly into your GitHub repository. You'll now be taken to the upload page where you have two convenient options for adding your GIF. You can either drag and drop your files directly into the designated area on the page, or you can click Choose Your Files to open a file browser on your computer. Navigate to the location where your GIF is saved and select it. Either method works perfectly, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Once your GIF has been selected and appears in the upload area, you'll need to finalize the process. Scroll down slightly and click the Commit Changes button. This action confirms the upload and officially adds your GIF to the repository. GitHub will process the file, which may take a moment depending on the size of your GIF, so be patient as the changes are being saved. After the commit is complete, you'll be redirected back to your repository's main page. Now comes the important part, testing to make sure everything worked correctly. Locate your newly uploaded GIF in the file list and click on it. This will open the file and display the animated GIF, confirming that it has been successfully added and is functioning as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF image to your GitHub repository. Your project now has dynamic visual content that can enhance documentation or provide clearer examples for users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.